Let me guess what you did after your CET attempt one. You came out of the hall, opened Telegram, WhatsApp, Insta, checked answers, calculated your score, and then told yourself, okay, attempt two, I'll do better. But here's the scary part. Most students walk into attempt two with the same mistakes, just with more hope. And hope doesn't increase your score. I've seen this pattern every year. Students don't fail because they don't study more. They fail because they don't fix what actually went wrong. So instead of giving you motivation, let me show you the exact mistakes from attempt one that will silently destroy your attempt two. Mistake one: you remember the score, not the decisions. You remember your score, you remember your percentile guess, but do you remember which questions you should have skipped, where you wasted 3 minutes, which section order actually worked for you? No, because more students track results, but toppers track decisions. And CET is a game of decisions under pressure. If you don't fix your decision making, attempt two will feel exactly the same. Mistake two, you blamed the paper. Somewhere in your mind, you've already said this that paper was tricky, LR was lengthy, or weird, or quant was lengthy. Maybe it was, but here's the truth: everyone got the same paper. The difference is not the paper, the difference is how you responded to it. If you're still blaming the paper, you've already lost control over attempt two. Mistake three, you're planning more, fixing less. Right now, your brain is full of plans. I'll give more mocks. I'll revise everything again. I'll improve speed. Sounds productive, but what are you actually fixing? Are you correcting your weak question selections? Are you training yourself to leave questions faster? Are you improving your section switching? Or are you just doing more of the same? Because more effort is not equal to better outcome. Better decisions is equal to better outcome. Mistake four, you're ignoring the mental pressure. Attempt two is not just about knowledge, it's about how you behave under pressure. In attempt one, did you panic in the middle? Did your speed drop all of a sudden? Did you start second guessing yourself? That's not a knowledge problem, that's a mental conditioning problem. And if you don't address that, attempt two will break you at the same point again. So here's the uncomfortable truth: attempt two is not a second chance, it's a test of whether you learned anything from attempt one. If your thinking is the same, your score will be the same. Simple. So you can have a look at these blogs that we've posted on our website, which would help you remember how the different slots were, what had come, what had not come, what a student should have done, which might help you improve better and take better decisions in your attempt to. Just take 30 minutes today, not to study, not to give a mock. Just sit down and write this. What exactly went wrong in my attempt one? Not general answers, specific ones. Because clarity right now is worth more than 10 random mocks. And if you get this right, attempt two can genuinely be a different story. Thank you so much, guys.